I don't feel like adjusting this thing. It keeps playing with me and I am going to play along. That is irrelevant. Friends, welcome to today's video. My name is Rachel. It is in the morning. I am in the mood for desserts and sugary things and all of that. And a while back, I bought a lot of ladyfingers, and people make tiramisu with ladyfingers. If you don't do alcohol or you're making it for your extended family or children, then maybe you're wondering, what can you make with ladyfingers? Are you new here? My name is Rachel. I do reviews, very honest ones. I cook, I do time and money saving videos, and I motivate you to stay healthy and active because it is not always about the body. I already said it is in the morning. I have a lot of dessert making to do. The good thing is there's no baking and everything is easy. Just make and chill in your fridge. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for always coming back. Please subscribe if you haven't, and let us make this. If we are done and you like the vibe, hook me up with a thumbs up so that someone else could get a chance of seeing taste and without wasting time. And I'm tired of bending. Let us go. No, actually we're not cooking. Let us make our easy peasy ladyfinger desserts. Do some cocoa powder, and you know very much that we are going to be estimating all this business. I don't pima or anything. We do sugar. You can also do white sugar, but if you have no problem with the color of the sugar or anything, just do brown sugar. Especially on desserts, it is better in my opinion, unless you want the color white thing. Then we do cornstarch. I think I'll need to add more sugar here. It's a dessert, okay? It is not healthy for that matter. So yeah, give yourself the grace this time round to just use sugar. Maybe niongeze kidogo of the cornstarch. I won't be telling you like how much to use, because at the end of the day it depends on how much or kiasi ya the dessert that you want to be making. So I can't be telling you 1 cup ya maziwa and you have like 3 packets za ladyfingers. So yeah, just evaluate your situation, know how you're going to deal with it. More milk. So the other thing that I will be adding in here is some vanilla anything. You can do vanilla essence, vanilla extract, vanilla something, and then we cook this on medium or low mpaka ishikane kabisa. It should be thick. While that cools, we continue the process. 1 egg. Next, we do sweetened and filled condensed milk. Remember, you can do without any of these ingredients depending the flavors zenye unapenda, the ones that you want to work with. So I just want to sweeten this a little bit. The last thing is to add our situation in here. I had tested it already na nika taste in a lot of sugar. The brown sugar that I put wasn't as much, so be careful. Again, as much as it's dessert and it should be sweet, don't overdo the whole thing. This is what we have at the moment. Remember, we are making this kiddie friendly. If you're making for people with IDs and yeah, they can take alcohol, throw in some brandy in here, or brandy per se, and It will give you some goodness, but only for the people who take alcohol. Going to use my lemon jelly. You can do your homemade syrup. We pour it. Put some boiling water here, like a cup. We are not going to do a lot. They soak a lot of liquid because they are very, very porous, so make sure that you make enough. Our lemon jelly mixture, this is ready. This one imepoa. Our pan and our lady fingers, they are very, very porous, so ukizi hold up for long itatokana kwa hiyo mixture. So you dip it, roll, remove it, panga kwa pan. Remaining stuff here, we put it on top nicely to cover everything. The next thing, I will be grating some white chocolate because I have kidogo white chocolate. Last but definitely not least, remember it is all kiddie, all yummy. Add in some fun things in here. Nice, nice, nice. So what you need to do is put a film paper and put into the fridge not less than 4 hours if you want everything to be chilled and yummy and holding together. So we do that. I will see you after that time. That looks so professional. Lovely. The kiddos will love it, and you will also love it. Very yummy. Film pepper, 4 hours plus in your fridge. Chill it. It of course has sugar, but not enough for your dessert. Dessert is usually like yeah, sugar situation. So that is to tell you that it is not healthy, but once in a while you will do unhealthy stuff and you will be okay. We do like, oh, I should have used 2 spoons, but it is still okay. Some vanilla, anything, vanilla essence, vanilla extract, vanilla something, and then we do water. Yummy. Again, we are doing estimate. Remember, obviously the mixture will thicken because that is the plan. So we are going to be cooking this in low to medium heat, and then let it like thicken up. I had forgotten, that is what I do, not deliberately though. Make sure that you put at the start, ndio kila kitu mix up vizuri. The reason why you see some whitish bits ni sababu I thought it wasn't thick enough na nikaweka another extra scoop ya what is it called, cornstarch. So don't worry about that. We will mix it kidogo and it will be okay. What you need to do at this point is to let it sit. Watch I pour. Meanwhile, in a dish, we put maziwa. Again, estimate. Condensed milk. Add your whipped cream here or mascarpone cheese and then you whip it. I won't be doing that because I'm trying a whole different vibe all along. So hii inaendelea kupoa. So before you dip the biscuit, make sure the mixture is ready. That is one thing nilikuwa nimekosa kukwambia. Again, toa the biscuits kwa paper. It will be easier for you to dip them, unlike waiting for one pack kuisha and then you start kutoanisha ingine. It will take some time. So we start dipping, layer them. Remember, they are super porous, so you pick one, dip it in a second. If you hold it there for 2 seconds, I promise you itatokana kwa hiyo maziwa because it is so fast. So pick, dip, line kwa pan yako. I'm not sure about this. I think I should have put the first layer ikiwa pamoja because of the scooping. So let us not try this at home. Acha niziweke tu pamoja because obviously itakuwa better for the base. So yeah, let me not do that. That is not good at all. So we arrange the others. Layer, this is pretty nice. So what we are going to do is scoop our mixture and Level it up. The remaining sugar, sababu tumeamua tu kula sugar, you just put it there and then fill this. You can also do butter, hapa hivi melted one, but I won't lie to you, I am making this, but my mind is secretly calculating the amount of sugar fat we are doing, and yeah, obviously I'll make it, I will eat it, but still that is in my mind, so I won't do the butter. The same reason why I didn't use this on the second, like after the first layer. Yeah, otherwise if you don't really care about all that, after the first layer, when you top up the strawberry thing, then do a little bit of this. Namna that. So what we are going to do next is to pick our whipped cream. This again is not sweet. If you want to do a sweet layer, you can do condensed milk kidogo or even some sugar. I didn't want to do that. Our topmost layer will be super sweet, and this is just for me. For you, sweeten it. I think because I don't do as a lot of sugar as I used to, ata chai and stuff like that, I find it very hard to eat sugary stuff. So nilemea, as much as I would be really like psyched to eat. Good enough, I think. Strawberry jam, top this. Here, the good thing about this jam is it has real strawberries, so I can't really wait to see how that goes. Again, that is the reason why I didn't put any sweetening on the whipped cream and the mascarpone cheese, because again, this is a fruit jam, a lot of sugar in it. Fill pepper on. Anything 4 to 6 hours, it should be fine. This is a very good dessert you could make when you have like guests the following day, and you just make it, chill it in the fridge, and wait for your visitors to arrive. A no bake thing. You don't do oven heating, preheating, whatever, mixing and all that. That is whipped cream, and I'm using this. I don't like it as much, so I don't think I'll buy it again. I would rather buy the unsweetened Dear Bio. This one has some not so good aftertaste. I think that explains why it is 1 liter for around 600, and the others are kind of expensive. So I'm using it, Ishe, and that will be it. So that is whipped cream, sea salt, I'm using this, and then some vanilla anything. This one, that means, you know what it means. So cool. and it is tasty, by the way. The salt, sorry, noise. The salt balances like the sugar, and I'm using this evaporated filled milk. You can also use sweet condensed milk. I think ideally you're supposed to fold your whipped cream in the condensed milk or the whatever milk. Don't worry about the size. I promise you these are very porous and they absorb the stuff so fast. So after you do that, we put these in our containers and in the freezer. I don't think I have any fancy, anyway, I don't have anything fancy containers, but I'll just use whatever that I have for hours, and then you can start enjoying your biscotti ice cream. The only tip is to use a container with a very tight lid in the freezer. It is where we keep it. 4 hours later, I will show you how this looks like. Meanwhile, let me clean. This is the part why you don't like cooking in the first place, but we have to do it. It's a price you pay. Thank you so much for hanging out again today. Make those, whichever that looks like it is yummy. I promise you all of them give you a different vibe. I hope you like at least one. Thank you so much to the new crew again. I hope you come back. For the people who have been there since day one, thank you so much, and always a pleasure when you come back. I have to end the video here. I'll see you in my next one, and my name is Rachel, in case you forgot. See you then. Merry Christmas.